Happy August, everybody, or as some people have been saying, October. We're gonna do a Spider-Man look. I have Spider-Man No Way Home playing in the background just as like a brief refresher before a brand new day. This look is heavily inspired by Beats by Deb, who's inspired by Law Roach and Zendaya. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my base really quickly, like that. Okay, so I have two MAC Skinfinish blushes, Pony and Ruby Wood. I'm feeling like Ruby Wood will go better with, like, you know, the tones of blue and red because I'm gonna do this colorful. But I wanna blend it out with a little bit of Pony. Okay, yeah. I have to start lightly and then build it up. A little on the nose, a little into Pony just to blend that out. Under the eyes, also influenced by Painted by Esther. Okay, I am keeping the eyeshadow shape that Deb had. I'm just blending it out, winging it out this way. We literally just mixed a blue and a black. To set the shape, I'm taking Delta from the Juvia's Place Culture 2 palette, just in the shape that we've already created. I'm taking a clean blending brush and just diffusing the edges. Oh, this looking good, bitch! White in the inner corner. But I'm gonna take my ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner in the shade Exit for my waterline. Next, for that sparkle on my lid, I'm taking my 48 Beauty Luminescent Volume 1 palette. I literally use this for everything now. And I'm taking that shade Dazzle. Open up! Might not look like it on camera, but peep this. Oh! Hold on. Let me make sure I'm not using too much now. Never too much. Okay, the eye look looks like I knew it would. We need some retails, that is mascara and rhinestones, and I'll be right back. Like, come on now. Did y'all expect anything other than red rhinestones? Now it's time to get to the most fun part, and that is doing the chain. So dedicated. I went to a hardware store and I got me some little wire bolt cutters, okay? So my chain is thicker than I anticipated, and honestly, this little circle part was the most difficult, but I'm pretty sure laying the rest of it will be pretty easy. I'm just sticking it on with Duo Lash Glue. I always get the one in the green. Use the camera. Oh God. Oh my God. Okay, these chains are heavier than I anticipated. Sticking them on with just lash glue is a little bit more difficult, so let me do the whole web part and then I'll come right back. Okay, so as you can see, I didn't go all the way in with the chain because it's heavier than the glue can hold in some places and it was pissing me off. But you know what? We're gonna have plenty of opportunities to redeem ourselves with the spider web look in the upcoming spooky season. You guys, I got a fake spider and I painted it. I tried to make it as accurate as the spider that bit the Tobey Maguire Peter Parker. And you know what? I think we got it pretty close. I'm gonna stick this on. Got the back of him all saturated and we're just gonna stick and perch. Ooh, hold on. Let me try to. Yeah! This is the look pretty much complete. It's just missing a few things. I'm gonna add some more retails and come back. Ready? Okay. And we are back. Okay, here's the look all completed. I threw some hair on. I added some shadows, messily now that I see, to the look. Did the lip. I did a video on this lip if you guys are interested. I even added some rhinestones to my spider because that is so on brand for me, and I absolutely love the way this turned out. I added some of that blue pigment as highlight too, and just, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support, and stay tuned for more creative content from Bree. That's me. Okay, later y'all.